How to change your name in Walmart.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to change your display name in Walmart.com, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump in. First of all, open up a web browser and type in Walmart.com in it. Make sure to type in Walmart.com and search, and make sure that you are also logged into your Walmart account. Once you're in, go to the upper right corner and click on the account button. In the pop-up, click Account. Now on the next page, scroll down through the left-hand menu and click Settings. Under Personal Information, click Contact Info and Password. Now on the next page, you'll see your full name displayed at the top. Click on Edit right next to it. Go ahead and enter your new name you want to change to and click Save. And you have successfully changed your name in the Walmart.com account. Pretty easy, isn't it? So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.